Hey guys, welcome back. This is Braun from the BTNHD, and today is all about unboxing Unifi product lineup. We are unboxing the Unifi Cloud Key Gen 2, and we are also unboxing the Unifi G3 series 1080p outdoor camera with infrared. The reason why I got these two guys in the lab is because, one, at my 9-to-5 job, we are replacing our DropCam. In the long run, it looks like we're spending a lot of money each year for the DropCam. Plus, the plan that we have with our DropCam is only allows us to view 1 week worth of video, and then the following week it kind of recycles itself. Because of this will allow us to store graph files on the fly when we need for security reasons. For the Cloud Key Generation 2, it has an 1 terabyte external hard drive, which is great. And so I'm gonna start unboxing this guy for you guys. I'm gonna get my knife real quick. Awesome. I'm gonna unbox the Unifi Cloud Key G2 first. All right, so what comes inside the box of the Unifi Cloud Key Gen 2 device? You have your Cloud Key Gen 2 Plus, I'm assuming, starting guide. Looks like a starting guide. You scan this little barcode right here and start getting your machine up and running. You have, what is this? Introducing your Unifi Protect. And I think these guys are like stickers. Yep, stickers that you can post them up. Cool. And then you have the device itself. Now the specifications on the device, it has an 8-core processor with 3 gigs of RAM or memory. It comes automatically with a 1 terabyte 2.5-inch SATA hard drive, which the cool thing is that you are able to upgrade it to something bigger. At the bottom right here, this is the latch that allows you to release the hard drive, and then you're able to just upgrade it. Cool. Awesome. So let's put this hard drive back in there. There you go. Awesome. Also, it has 32 gigs of eMMC, which is flash storage, that allows me to like back up the settings and everything, like do monthly or weekly backups of the settings onto the machine, which is a huge plus, because if something happens, if I push out an update or firmware update and something happens to the device, I'm able to use the backup to recover quickly. At the back, you have 2 Type-C ports. I'm assuming that this one right here allows you to plug in the adapter to give it power. But because this device is going to be hooked up to a PoE switch, I'm going to take advantage of the 1 gigabit Ethernet port that supports PoE. So that is how I'm going to power this device. Right next to this Type-C port right here, we have our power button, and we have an additional Type-C right here. Cool. And what is this guy right here? This is the Cloud Key Rack Link. Oh, nice. I'm assuming that you could daisy chain this. I need to look this up and see what this does. Has an awesome, nice little LCD screen. Cool. Cool. Awesome. And then you have a little LED indicator. I'm assuming that this guy right here turns blue or white when it's configuring, and then once it's configured, it changes blue. Awesome. And then you got a nice little key slot right here that allows you to lock it down. Pretty solid little device. Awesome. Let's put this guy to the side, and we have the Unifi Protect G3 bullets, indoor-outdoor IP cameras. Resolution is 1080p. I don't need the knife to open this guy up because they kind of hook you up with this little strip. Put the strip away. Let's open this guy up, see what's inside the box. All right, so what comes inside the G3 1080p outdoor indoor cameras? I only took one out. Makes no sense for me to take all 3 of them out because they're all the same. How cool is that? So it comes with the plate. This allows you to hook it up onto a concrete wall or a wall indoor. Comes with the anchors and the screws. Cool. And it comes with this nice little little cardboard thing information. Not too much. It's one of those plug and play kind of things. At the very all the way in here. Let me see if I can unscrew this. Oh, okay. So this base right here allows you to unscrew it. And the reason why I'm unscrewing it is because right behind the camera, there is a Ethernet port. This Ethernet port allows you to put a cable to your PoE switch to give it power over Ethernet. Also has the reset button as well. So if you need to reconfigure it again, press that reset button. So cool. Awesome. Now, some facts on this guy. The lens itself comes with a 1/3 inch 4 megapixel HDR sensor that provides 1920 by 1080 resolution at 30 frames per second. That's pretty good. I wonder the video footage, how big are the files? I definitely need to talk to my IT manager to see if we are able to upgrade the 1 terabyte to something a little bigger. Because if you're recording constantly 24/7, that 1 terabyte is going to fill up, especially if you're recording on a 1080p. Now, it does have a 3.6 millimeter fixed lens that covers around 85 degrees horizontal field view. Like I said before, it is an IR camera, so it allows you to view stuff at night and for capturing as well. It also has a built-in mic, but it's not the type of mic that you will use at the DropCam that allows you to talk and listen. So the mic that it has is only for listening only. Cool. So right underneath the camera, if you have the camera facing this way, it has this nice little gel kind of cap. You have a micro SD card slot. So if you unscrew this base right here, if you unscrew it, it will allow you to kind of loosen the ball, and then you're able to maneuver the camera the way that you want it. Awesome. Cool. Now, retail price for the 3-pack camera was around $381, $382 at B&H. And for the Cloud Key Gen 2, we got it for around $191, $192 if you want to round it off, which is not that bad. For us, we were paying maybe $110, $120 each year. It's one of those old school drop cans that we paid maybe $100 when it first came out. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Leave comments right below. I'm only going to do like this quick overview / unboxing of these two products because I got to get this stuff up and running at my 9-to-5 job. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them at the bottom. Don't forget about hitting that like button. Make sure to subscribe and share out the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.